the barn. Dora, how are we gonna find the piggy? Let's listen to the animal sounds to find where the piggy is hiding. Listen.
Gabby, look. It's Dora.
Where's the piggy hiding? Should be behind the hay. No, that's the sheep. Do you know where the piggy's hiding? You're right. Here she is. Come here, little piggy. We found the second piggy. Yay! Look, Dora. Swipe and swipe her ribbon. Don't worry, little piggies. We won't let Swiper the fox swipe your ribbon.
Look, Dora.
Look, there are 3 piggies. We found one in the hayfield, one in the barn.
Hi,
How
Kitty
many
Patootie.
piggies are missing?
How many piggies?
One. Right. And I know who it is. It's Oinky!
Oinky!
Come on, we better hurry up and find Oinky. Yeah, we have to find Oinky before Swiper does. Where do we go next? Hay,
Gabriella.
barn, apple tree. We looked
Apple
in the hay,
tree.
and we looked in the barn. So that means the last little piggy must be hiding
Oh, go ahead.
at the
Go ahead, Don Vito. Sorry. Go on. Go on.
apple tree. Right. Where's the apple tree, Dora?
Where's the apple tree?
Do you see the apple tree?
Do you see it?
Where? Yeah, there it is. Come on, Boop. We have to find Oinky before Swiper swipes his ribbon. We're coming, Oinky. We're coming. Oh! Come on, come on, come on. Oh, no. We're stuck in the mud. Dora, we have to roll the wagon out of the mud or we can't save Oinky.
What are you
Will
doing?
you help us pull the wagon out of the mud? Great. Put your hand out in front of you. Grab the handle with both hands. Hold on tight. Now pull, 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 pull.
Pull, Gabby. Pull it.
Pull.
Pull it.
All right. We pulled the wagon out of the mud. Yay, yay. Great pulling. You're strong. Okay, Goose. Let's go find Oinky at the apple tree.
Who's that cutie? Who's that little cutie?
Apple tree, but where's Oinky? Do you see Oinky? Right, there he is. Oh,
Where's Oinky?
No. What's he doing in the tree? He's eating apples. Oinky, come down. Oinky, come down.
Don Vito, what are you doing?
Oh no! The branch is breaking! Oinky's gonna fall! Oinky, Oinky, Oinky! Will you help us save Oinky? We all have to say, hold on, Oinky! Hold on, Oinky! Say it again! Hold on, Oinky!
Gabby. Gabriella.
I have
Pew, pew, pew.
we can use the catch.
Pew, pew, pew.
I mean,
Pew, pew, pew.
your